Welcome to the Side Hustle Revolution, where turning passion into profit is not just a possibility, but a thriving reality. In today's world, more and more people are exploring side hustles as a means to supplement their income or even transform a beloved hobby into a full-fledged business. Whether you're looking to pay off debt, save for a dream vacation, or simply add a cushion to your finances, a side hustle offers a flexible and rewarding path. The beauty of this revolution is that it empowers you to take control of your financial future while doing something you truly enjoy. The opportunities in the side hustle landscape are vast and varied, catering to different skills, interests, and goals. From freelance writing and graphic design to selling handmade crafts or tutoring online, the options are endless. The digital age has opened up a plethora of platforms that connect you with potential clients and customers worldwide. Websites like Etsy, Fiverr, and Upwork have made it easier than ever to showcase your talents and find paying gigs. Social media also plays a crucial role, offering a space to build a personal brand and reach a wider audience. With the right strategy and dedication, your passion project can become a profitable venture. Starting a side hustle requires careful planning and a clear understanding of your strengths and interests. Begin by identifying what you're passionate about and how it can provide value to others. Consider the time you can realistically dedicate to this endeavor alongside your existing commitments. It's essential to set achievable goals and create a structured plan to stay organized and motivated. Remember, this is a journey that requires patience and perseverance. Don't be afraid to start small and gradually expand as you gain confidence and experience. As you embark on this entrepreneurial adventure, it's important to maintain a balance between your side hustle and other aspects of your life. Time management is key to ensuring that your passion project doesn't become overwhelming. Set boundaries to protect your personal time and avoid burnout. Additionally, keep track of your finances and invest in tools or resources that can enhance your efficiency and productivity. Networking with like-minded individuals and seeking mentorship can also provide valuable insights and support along the way. In conclusion, the side hustle revolution is an exciting opportunity to transform your passion into profit. It allows you to explore new avenues, develop new skills, and achieve financial independence on your terms. Embrace the journey with an open mind and a willingness to learn and adapt. Remember, success comes to those who dare to pursue their dreams with dedication and resilience. So take that first step, unleash your creativity, and join the ranks of those who are redefining what it means to work and thrive in today's dynamic world.